Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today's video we're going to talk about how to integrate Kabbage with Shopify. Now, are you running an online store? You can integrate Kabbage with Shopify to simplify revenue tracking and funding decisions, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Step 1, go to Kabbage integrations. Now you gotta log in and select Shopify under integrations. So log in on Kabbage.com with your credentials, and once you're logged in, select Shopify, that's under integrations. Step 2, log into Shopify. Now you're gonna need to provide your store URL and log in with your credentials. Step 3, authorize access. Now you want to grant Kabbage permission to access order and payment information. Go ahead and authorize that. And step 4, set synchronization preferences. Now you're going to choose what data to share: sales, returns, and inventory stats. Step 5, finalize and monitor. Now once set, Kabbage can now access your revenue trends to offer smarter funding options. Shopify integration gives Kabbage a full view of your e-commerce health and potential, and you can use that to make better informed decisions in the future. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you found the video useful enough, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.